Let's talk about how you can update content within TestCentre. Let me give you the scenario. So let's say you have the 2025 version of TestCentre, the admin, and you want to update it to the 2026 version with the new content. If you just simply download the 2026 version and you update, what happens is it will update the core software component, but it doesn't replace your existing content. So what that means is if you are using the 2025 version of the UTME mock content, it will still retain the old one because we don't just delete old content because we don't know if they are important to you or not. Now, how do you get the latest content that is provided by TestCentre? This is how you go about it. You go to the content menu on the left, then you click on manage. Then on this interface, you click on add. Now, when you click on add, you go to the TestCentre website. Now, on this page, you will see all the content that the TestCentre has in store for you. So these are the content you can use right away without creating your own content. And we do update this content from time to time. So what that means is the 2026 version of the UTME mock is currently available. And all you need to do is just to select it and you can retain this code. Then you just click on download. Once you click on download, what happens is it will download the latest one and replace any existing one that you have with the updated version. So by going through this part, we ensure that you only replace the content that you want to replace so that we don't just by default delete content that may be important to you. So now that I've updated it, you will now see that any new content or as a concept that we have in this 2026 version, you will have access to them. So let me scroll down to where the UTME mock is. So this is the UTME mock. So here you have it. So it's now UTME 2026 mock because this is now the updated version. And if you go to where you take tests, you realize that all the content are now are new. In fact, the literature has been updated. So this is very important for those of you using the UTME mock. It's important you update it because there's a change in syllabus for literature in English, and should be able to have access to it right away. And it's just for you to go ahead to set your test, and that's it. It's that straightforward. So this is basically how you update content that that is from us, right? That is from the TestCentre team. If it's your content will still be there. That is your original content. It will still be there, even if you update the app. But for our own content, we don't automatically update it when you update the TestCentre admin. You have to explicitly replace them if you want to.